Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase Piotnet forms for your WordPress website. So let's get started. So first open your browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will be redirect on the direct product page here. Okay, here is the our product page for every product we have. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime auto update with original license key activation. Okay, so if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about a pure net form. So let me type forms and here you can see our product. Okay, so here is the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive automatic update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information and select your payment method. If you're outside of India, you can select PayPal and just click on I have read and agree to the website terms and condition and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. Just click on this download button and you will receive our premium contact support. So just share your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video. So if you have any doubt, any suggestion, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.